Nmap is a popular tool for network exploration and security auditing. This means that you can use Nmap to find out what devices and services are running on a network, such as computers, routers, printers, web server, etc. You can also use Nmap to check how secure your network is by finding vulnerabilities and misconfigurations that could be exploited by attackers. Nmap allows you to discover hosts and services on a network. Creating a map of the network. A host is a device that has an IP address and can communicate on the network. A service is any application or program that runs on a host and listens for incoming connections such as HTTP, FTP, SSH, etc. Nmap can scan a range of IP addresses or domain names and tell you which hosts are up and which services are running on them. This way you can get a visual representation of your network topology and inventory. Nmap uses various scanning techniques such as ping scans, port scans, and version detection scans to gather information about the net. A ping scan is a basic scan that sends an echo request to a host and vets for an equal reply to determine if the host is alive or not. A port scan is a more advanced scan that probes specific ports and a host to see if they are open or closed. An open port means that there is a service listening on that port. A version detection scan is even more advanced scan that tries to identify the exact name and version of the service running on open port. This can help you find out what software and operating system are being used on the network. Nmap is an open source software, meaning that anyone can view, modify, or distribute the code. Open source software is a software that has its source code publicly available for anyone to inspect, modify, or share. This is that you can trust Nmap code because you can see what it does, and how it works. You can also customize Nmap code to suit your needs or contribute its development by adding new features or fixing bugs. You can also download and use Nmap for free. Nmap is highly customized and adaptable to specific security needs. Nmap has many options and parameters that allow you to tailor your scans according to your goals and preferences. For example, you can choose the speed, accuracy, stealthiness, verbosity, timing, and parallelism of your scans. You can also specify which ports, protocols, hosts, or networks want to scan are excluded from scanning. You can also combine different scanning techniques to get more comprehensive results. Nmap can be used by both ethical hackers and work administrators to improve the security posture of a network. Ethical hackers are hackers we use their skills for purposes such as testing the security of a network or system with permission from the owner. Network administrators are people who manage and maintain the network infrastructure and resources. Both ethical hackers and network administrators can use Nmap to find vulnerabilities and weaknesses in the network that could be exploited by malicious hackers. Nmap features include still scanning, a scripting engine, advanced features like OS detection and traceroute, and various output formats are reported. Still scan is a technique that allows you to scan a network without being detected by firewalls or intrusion detection systems. A scripting engine is a feature that allows you run scripts written in Lua language that can extend Nmap's functionality and auto complex tasks. Advanced features like OS detection and traceroute are features that allow you to determine your operating system and the path of packets between your machine and the target host. Output formats are options that allow you to save your scan results in different formats. Benefits of using Nmap include improved network security, proactive disk mitigation, and improved network administration and troubleshooting. By using Nmap, you can improve your network security by finding and fixing vulnerabilities before they are exploited by attackers. You can also proactively mitigate risks by identifying potential threats and taking preventive measures. You can also improve your network administration and troubleshooting by having a better understanding of your network structure and performance in being able to diagnose undesired issues faster.